WeChat is a great choice for staying connected with others. Easy to use and multifunctional, it's gained popularity with new users joining every day. In this video, we'll quickly show you how to use WeChat. Part 1. What is WeChat? WeChat, by Tencent, connects you with others across devices. You can message, share media, play games, make payments, and more. Keep watching to learn how to use it. Part 2. How to set up WeChat. Install WeChat. Download WeChat from Google Play or the official website to your phone or computer. Create an account. Open the app. Tap Sign Up. Register with your phone number and verify it using the code sent to you. Part 3. What can you do on WeChat? Add contacts. By phone or ID. Tap Contacts, then plus, and search by phone number or ID. Scan QR code. Use Discover to scan or share your QR code. Add nearby users. Enable location services. Tap Discover and select People Nearby. Tap on a user and send a greeting to connect. Create a group chat. Tap Saved Groups, then plus to add contacts to a group. You can also add new contacts from the group by tapping their profile photo. Tag contacts. Create tags, for example, family, friends, by tapping Tags in Contacts. Then select and tag multiple contacts. Save the tag to organize your list. Start a conversation. Send messages. Tap on a contact, type a message, or send a voice message. Add emojis or pictures or videos using the camera icon. Voice or video call. Tap plus and select Video and Voice Call to start a call over Wi-Fi or data. Share your life on Moments. Post photos or videos. Go to Discover Moments. Tap the camera icon to post. Share text. Long press the camera icon in Moments to share text. WeChat Pay. To use WeChat Pay, link your bank card via Me Wallet Cards. Add bankcards.to pay. Tap Discover. Scan QR code. Scan the code. Enter the amount and enter your payment password. WeChat Official Account. Foreign businesses can use a WeChat official account to reach Chinese users, as global sites are blocked in China. Favorite files. Press an item and select Favorite. Access it later under Me Favorites. Other WeChat features. Price comparison. Scan barcodes to compare prices from other platforms. Pay phone bills. Go to Discover Wallet, Mobile Top Up, Split Bill. Tap Me Wallet Money, Split Bill. Part 4. How to change the settings on WeChat. To change settings, go to Me Settings. Here, you can adjust notifications, privacy, account details, and more. For WeChat ID change, go to Settings, My Account. Tap WeChat ID and enter a new one. Part 5. What is Web WeChat? Web WeChat lets you use WeChat on computers without installation. Simply visit the Web WeChat site, scan the QR code, and log in. It's a convenient way to stay connected with friends.